Hey man, how'd it go last night?
Great. The place was crawling with virgins.
No way. How could you tell?
Just by looking at them, you know?
Yeah, I guess a female's a female though, right?
Mm-hmm. Not a virgin, they're no use to me.
Yeah. You gotta teach me sometime.
Let's go in here and check it out.
We want to use virgins because fruit flies are one of the many female animals that have a special structure called the spermatheca in the reproductive system. The spermatheca contain special proteins that are capable of preserving sperm to store them for later use. Once they're inseminated, they hold on to the male sperm and to use it to fertilize our eggs. This means that we can't use inseminated females if those males weren't from our cross.
We can get virgins a few ways. First is by the clock. When the flies are incubated at 18 degrees Celsius, you have 0 to 18 hours to separate the newly hatched males and females before they become sexually active. When incubated at 25 degrees Celsius, you only have 0 to 8 hours before they become sexually active, because warmer temperatures decrease the time of development. Once you separate the males from the females, you can ensure no mating is taking place. If larvae show up in your vial, then you know you did not separate them completely or in time.
The second way is to separate the flies into males and females, and then sort them based on meconium presence. The meconium is a dark spot on the left ventral side that is visible for the first 2 to 3 hours after emerging from the pupa. You can see the meconium right there. The meconium is a waste product that remains until after the first defecation, at which point it will no longer be visible in the young flies.
We have a stock of males with this transgene located on their Y chromosome. When heat is applied, a heat shock factor binds the HS promoter. The promoter is attached to a HID gene that induces apoptosis, which is cell death. This will kill all the males, leaving only females to hatch.
But how do we do this?
This is heat shock explained. On day 1, we have a vial of adult male and female flies in vial A. We transfer the adult flies to vial B. On day 2, we transfer the adult flies from vial B to vial C. Vial B now has 0 to 24-hour-old eggs. This is the vial we heat shock for 2 hours in a 37 degrees Celsius water bath. The heat shock kills the males, leaving only virgin females.
Place your vial in your rack. Place your rack in your 37 degrees Celsius water bath for 2 hours.
Now sometimes when we run this experiment, we end up with males afterwards. And although they're oftentimes sterile, we have to prove this. So we'll take an empty vial, we'll put some virgin females in there with him. And if there are no eggs and no progeny that result from this cross, we know that he was sterile.
Thanks for watching.